So in this video I will demonstrate how to create very simple API application using .NET, Visual Studio and SQL Server. There are at least two ways how we can create an application. First, or maybe the second one, is to use CLI, but I will use Visual Studio. Let's create a new project here. I will choose .NET Core Web API and how to call our application. I prefer to make something useful, so maybe for inventory. But I'm not sure I will finish it. But anyway, everything will be by default using .NET Core 8 and create. First thing, we'll be adding a new folder for models, and first class will be category. Very simple, only ID and name. Yes, it's enough to have in category. Next step is to create controller. There is already folder for controllers. Just add new controller API using entity framework, actions, etc. Select model or class. We don't have database context, so just add it. SQL Server, but you can choose something different. So here it is, and what I want to do next is to update my app settings connection string for my database. I will use Microsoft SQL for developers, so I need to change this string. Server will be localhost. Database name true long. I will do it this way. Yes, it's true. Multiple. Yes. Let's do it. And I will want to add trust server certificate. And the next step is to create our database using code first approach, creating migrations. I will use command prompt. here my project directory, and here I need to write code this way. Entity framework, no, and if you don't have .NET installed yet, you should use this command. I think this way, being global, and .NET entity framework. Let's check. Yes, I have already installed it. So it's my migration. Let's check. Here will be appear new folder for migrations, and it is here. This migration will create a new table named category. Yes, it's okay. And let's see our database. It should be here. I use SQL Management Studio. Yes, it's here. And one table, category. And it is empty at the moment. But we can create new category using our API. Let's do it. So it's a default. Our new categories. Let's create a new one, but without ID. It's called fonts. Yes, it's okay. One more. For example, consoles. And the third one, it's enough, I think. We can try to get them all. It's okay. And let's rename this one using this API. Mobile phones. And check it. Yes, it's okay. And now let's add this project to Git repository. So the link to this repository I will write in description.